To achieve high-quality surface finishes when machining, optimum cutting conditions are required, and parameters such as tool length play an important role in the process. Maintaining an optimum tool length during the machining process can be problematic due to the potential interference issues between part and tool geometries. Utilizing a 5-axis machine tool can overcome these issues by using the rotary axes to move the tool into a safe position during machining. To help with this, Fusion 360 has a range of tool axis definition options that simplify the process, leading you to quicker success. Here, we're going to look at how a tool axis can be automatically defined to resolve potential interference issues using the collision avoidance option on a part such as this form die, where different tool axis angles in different regions may be needed. Let's look first at the steep and shallow toolpath, which is using a vertical tool axis. We can see that in some areas the tool has the clearance needed to safely machine the part detail. But in other areas, due to the tool length, a collision with the holder in the part will occur. We can resolve this by letting Fusion automatically define the safe tool axis during the toolpath calculation. Investigating this next toolpath and looking first at the tool settings, the shaft and the holder are checked on, and the desired safety clearance values have been input for both the shaft of the tool and its holder. These are the minimum distances from which we would like the tool assembly to remain away from the part geometry. Viewing the multi-axis tab next, the tool axis primary mode is set to be vertical, which will be the initial tool axis, and the collision avoidance has been checked on with an avoidance mode selected, which in this instance is automatic. During the toolpath calculation, a vertical tool axis will be used until the tool reaches an area where the safety clearance values cannot be maintained, at which point Fusion will define a new safe tool axis and it will be held until either a new interference occurs or the toolpath is completed. By simulating this toolpath, we can see the tool starts in a vertical orientation, but as it nears a potential collision area, the tool axis is adjusted in a smooth and controlled fashion to maintain part, tool, and safety. With a proven, easy-to-use library of defined methods for tool axis control, Fusion 360 allows you to simply and safely program the rotary axis of your 5-axis machine, increasing your manufacturing success and productivity.